Hi, I am Dr. Rashekar Reddy. I am a neurosurgeon in Continental Hospital. I am going to explain today about the brain tumors, how we are going to manage those brain tumors at Continental Hospital. Most of the patients who are diagnosed with brain tumors are going to present to us with a recent change in character of the headache, any persistent vomitings, any seizures, or any focal neurological deficit like weakness of the limbs, speech disturbances, and visual disturbances. Any patient who is having similar history should be evaluated thoroughly without wasting any time. The better investigation of choice in identifying the brain tumor is an MRI brain. Along with MRI spectroscopy, contrast, with non-invasive techniques only, we can identify the brain tumors with accuracy. And not only identifying the tumors, we have to tell whether it is benign or malignant. Once we diagnose the brain tumor, there will be a lot of questions from the patient's family that we need to answer. Whether how much time we have left with, what's going to leave us, the patient is going to be paralytic or losing vision like that. But nothing to worry. If you can diagnose the brain tumors very early, before it damages significant portion of the brain, we can take out the tumor without damaging the surrounding part of the brain. With the help of modern technology like neuronavigation and MRI, we can access the brain tumors by creating a small window in his skull by doing a craniotomy, and we can take out the tumor completely. In some circumstances where it is located in the eloquent areas, we can perform the brain tumor surgery in an awake patient also to take out the brain tumor. Once we take out the brain tumor, we send it for a biopsy, and the biopsy is going to confirm the diagnosis, what kind of tumor it is and at what stage the tumor is. After knowing the biopsy, the further plan of action can be decided by a team of oncologists that comprises a surgical neurosurgeon, medical oncologist, and radiation oncologist. They will plan further radiation and chemotherapy to the patient. In Continental Hospital, by having a comprehensive oncology team to deal with all kinds of malignancies, we discuss among ourselves to formulate the treatment plan for the patient and execute them for the better outcomes of the patient.